So hello guys, welcome back again to my new video, and today I'm going to explain my new project. So let's get started this video. This is final project and this is the interface of web server. The options to see the team members name and close, and by default timer is set 000. Let's start the timer with 15 minutes or 1 hour as well. So let me start with 15 minutes and 10 seconds. When I start, okay, this is 15 minutes remaining alert. Now let's see the 1 hour alert. This is 1 hour alert. So time is started. We can also push the timer, resume the timer, like timer is pushed, and let's resume it. Also there is reset timer option. When I click reset timer, it will reset the stop time. Okay, and whenever I want to end the clock timer stopwatch, so I can end with this button and the actual time is showing on the display. So this is the interface and options. We can add timer accordingly, and this is the clock. I hope you like this video. Please comment if you want its making video, and yeah, thank you so much for watching.